Hey everyone, Nate here with US Toy Trader. This week's featured car is a 1940 Ford Convertible Deluxe. Take a look at this beauty. That's all steel body and fenders. 502 big block. It's got the Wilwood front and rear disc brakes. Dual stainless magnaflow mufflers. Holley electric fuel pump. Polished aluminum includes the intake, the radiator, water pump, valve covers. Even has the 18 and 21 inch polished aluminum wheels, 140 amp alternator, serpentine belt, Dakota digital remote system, and much more. You can't go wrong with this car, folks. You look at this, you're looking at a piece of nostalgia, a piece of history going all the way back to the 1940s, running the moonshine. Drop us a comment and let us know what you think by hitting that like button, and don't forget to subscribe to the channel. We can also be found at ustoytrader.com, as well as Instagram, Twitter, and Facebook. Until next time, keep the tires burning.